शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹர ஹரோஹரா. லோகவீர்யம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். சுவாமியே சரணமய்யப்பா. வாகர்த்தாவிவ சம்பிரக்தௌ வாகர்த்த பிரதிபத்தயே जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्री पार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृते कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाबात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलादरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുംഭീരേന്ദാത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കനായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Good afternoon, everyone. We'll just do a quick review of 90 and 93. Suja, did you get a chance to practice? Can you do 90 or 93? 90. You're on mute.
I can do 90, Rajesh.
Okay. Amuchichi, can you do 93?
Sure.
Yeah.
कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। वृकभृगुमुनि मोहिन्य अम्बरीषादिवृत्तेषु ऐतव हि महत्त्वं सर्वादिजैत्रं स्थितमिह परमात्मन् निष्कलार्वागभिन्नं किमपि यदवभातं तद्धि रूपं तवैव.
Actually, in the first line, although it is Mohini Ambarisha, but I think it's joined together as Mohin Yambarisha.
Okay, so Brika
Bhrigu Muni.
Bhrigu Muni Mohinyambarishadi.
Correct.
Okay. Yeah, Mohinyambarisha. Murtitrayeshwara Sadashiva Panchakam Yat Prahuh Paratma Vapureshu Sadashivosmin Tatreshwarastu Savikunta Padastvameva Tritvam Punarbhajasi Satyapade Tribhage Tatrapi Satvikathanum Tava Vishnu Mahuhu Data tu Sattva Viralo Rajasaiva Purnaha Sattvotkatatvamapi Chasti Tame Vikara Cheshtadikam Chattava Shankara Namni Murtau.
Third line end is Tamo Vikara, not Tame. Okay. Tamo Vikara.
Tamo Vikara Cheshtadikam Chattava Shankara Namni Murtau. Tam Chatrimurtyatigatam Parapurusham Tvam Sharvatmanapi Khalu Sarvamayatva Hetoho Shamsantyupasana Vidhau Tadapi Swatastu Tvadrupamityatidridam Bahunaf Pramanam Shri Shankaropi Bhagavan Sakaleshu Tavat Tvameva Manayati Yo Nahi Pakshapati Tanishtamev sahi nama sahasrakadi vyakyat bhavat stuti parashjagatim gatonte murtitrayati gamuvacha cha mantra shastras yadau kalaya sushumam sakaleshwaram tvam dhyanam cha nishkalam asau pranave khalu tvameva tatra sakalam nijagadananyam.
Second line. And the Kalaya Sushamam, not Sushumam. Sushamam.
Sushamam. Okay. Actually, on a recording, la Susham, on a book, la Shur. Sorry.
Okay.
Samasta Sare cha Purana Sangrahe Visamshayam Twan Mahimai Vavarnyate Trimurti Satyapada Tribhagatah Param Padam Te Katitam Nashulinah Yat Brahma Kalpa Iha Bhagavatat Vitiyat Skandoditam Vapurana Pritamisha Datre Tasyaiva Nama Harisharva Mukham Jagada Shri Madhava Shiva Paropi Purana Sare Esva Prakritya Nuguna Girisham Bhajante Tesham Phalam Hidridayaiva Tadiya Bhaktya Vyaso hitena katavan adhikari hetoho skandadikeshu tavahani vachortavadaihi.
Third line, Kritavan, first and the word Kri.
Okay.
Kritavan. Okay.
Oh, now where do chunena? Okay. Kritavan adhikari. Bhutartha kirtiranuvada viruddhavadhau Tredartavada Gatayah Kalurochanartaha Skandadikeshu Bhagavotra Viruddhavadaha Tvathama Sattva Paribhutyupashikshanadhyaha Yatkinchadap Yapi Dushapi Vibhomayoktam Tanmantra Shastra Vachanadhyapi Trishtameva Vyasokti Saramaya Bhaga Vatopagita Kleshana Viduya Kuru Bhakti Baram Paratman. Shri Krishna Parabrahmani Namaha. Where the mistake panna?
The first last paragraph, first line. Yatkinchedapya vidushapi. Just say that portion.
Okay. Yatkinchadap Vishudapi Vibhomayo.
Yatkinchedapya vidushapi.
Oh, Yat यत्किञ्चिदप्यविदुषापि
Correct. Yeah.
यत्किञ्चिदप्यविदुषापि. Okay.
Correct.
Okay, thank you.
Sri Krishnaya Parabhrahmane Namah. Dashakam 93. Bandhu sneham vijahyam tavahi karunaya tvayupavesidatma sarvam tyaktva chareyam sakalam abhijagadvishyamaya vilasam nanatvad brantijanyat sadikhalu gunadoshavabhode vidirva vyasetho va katham tau tvayi nihidamadehe Vidavaishvamya buddhyehe Vidavaishamya buddhyehe buddhehe. I'm sorry. Shutrishналopamatre satata kritadiyo jantavasandhyanandaha tebhyo vijnanavatvat purusha ihavaraha tajjanardullabhaiva tatrapyatmat tatrapyatmat atmana syat. Did I say it right?
Yeah, no. So the problem there is, it is tatra api atma atmana. 4 words mixed together with a sandhi, right? So you'll have to kind of say it together as tatrapyatmatmana, tatrapyatmatmana. So 3 times, 2 times it is coming and 1 ip is coming, right? So you kind of have to say it together. This you can't break it.
Tatrapyatmatmana syad suhrada vicharibuhu yastvainyasta chedaha tapochitterupayam smarati sahi sukhrida swatmavairi tadonyaha tvatkarunye pravritte ka ivanahi guruhu lokavritte bhibhuman sarvakranta bhibhumir nahi chalati tadaha sakshamam shikshayeyam Grihniyamisha tattadvishaya parijayepya prasaktim samirat vyaptatvanchatmano me gagana guruvashad bhadu nirlepatacha swachyasyam pavanoham madhura udakavadvani vanma smagrihnam sarvanni no vidosham Tarushu tamiva mam sarva bhuteshvaveyam pushtir nashtih kalanam shashina ivatanoho natmanosti dividyam toya divyastamartandavadapija tanushve kadam tvat prasadad snehadvyadhatta putra pranayamridakapodayito masma bhuvam praptam prasnan saheyakshudamabhishayuvad Sindhuvatsyamadadah Mapaptam yoshidadau shikhini shalabhavat Bringavat bhagi bhuyasam Kindu tadvadhana chayana vashan mahamisha pranesham.
That last portion, right, Amuja, you can break it as kintu tadvadhana.
Kindu tadvadhana chayana.
Yeah.
Kindu tadvadhana Vadhana chayana vashan mahamisha pranesham ma bhadyasam tarunya gaja iva vashaya narjayeyam dhanaukham hartanyastam himadvi hara iva mrigavan mamuham gramya gitaihi natya sajjeya bojye chashaiva balishe pingalavan nirashasupyam bhartavya yogad Kurara iva vibho samishonyairnahanye.
That's where we stopped, right?
That's where we stopped.
Okay.
Right.
So, Nikki, Satya, you and Shobha, can you also be a student right now? First half la?
Yeah.
Okay. Satya and Shobha, and then second half, Priya, Uma, you can be students. Okay. Priya, Arun and Uma. Okay, stanza 7. Varteyatyaktamaanaha sukhamati shishuvan nissahayascharehyam kanyaya ekashesho valaya iva bibho varjitanyonya ghoshaha tvachitto navabudhyai Paramishu kriti vakshma bridayana ghosham geheshvanya praniteshu ahiriva nivasan yundaror mandireshu. So what we saw in the earlier stanzas as well is the request that Bhattacharya is now doing so that he can get to enlightenment, right? So he's getting to that stage. So one of the first thing here quickly he's saying is, I want to be like a child where who's not bothered by honor and dishonor. So somebody, you know, like they don't care much about honor, small children, right? So he says, let me also be like a child who's not affected by honor and dishonor. Then the second line he says, Kanyaya ekashesho valaya. He says, let me be like a woman who's happy with one bangle, right? One bangle in my hand, so that I'm not worried about wanting more things and just be happy with, for namesake, having one bangle and then moving about without any things attached to it. And then the last one he says, then just I'm just talking key things. And the last one he says is Yundaror Gheyeshu. So like how a snake doesn't necessarily go and build a house. It just goes and finds a place and just goes lives. Similarly, let me not be focused on building more houses and stuff. Let me just go live in whatever place and whatever shelter I'm getting. So please bless me with these, with this level of thinking, so he can just get more mature and more enlightened. So Varteya Tyakta Manaha, comma, Sukham Ati Shishu. Then the next one Nissahayash. So one Nissahayash Chareyam, comma, Kanyaya Ekashesho Valaya Iva Bibho Varjitanyonya. So till them together. Varjitanyonya Ghoshaha. Vartehyatyaktamaanaha Sukamati Shishuvan Nissahayascharehyam Kanyaya Ekashesho Valaya Iva Bibho Varjitanyonya Ghoshaha. So they can go.
Rajesh, there's no pause in the second line, right?
The Bibho, after Bibho, there is a pause.
Varteyatyaktamanaha sukamati shishuvannissahayashchareyam kanyaya ekashesho valaya iva bibho varjitanyonyagoshaha. Varteyatyaktamanaha sukamati shishuvannissahayashchareyam kanyaya ekashesho valaya iva bibho varjitanyonyagoshaha.
Varteyatyaktamanaha sukhamati shishuvan nissahayaschareyam kanyaya ekashesho valaya iva vibho varjitanyonyagoshaha. Varteyatyaktamanaha sukhamati shishuvan nissahayaschareyam kanyaya ekashesho valaya iva vibho varjitanyonyagoshaha.
Tvachitto Nava Buddhyai Yai, comma, Paramishu Kridiva Shma Bridhayana. So that's together. Shma Bridhayana Ghosham, comma, Gehesh Vanya, together. Praniteshu. So the ish, the half ish and the va that you have there, we're going to break it and say Praniteshu, short shu, comma. In the next line becomes ahiriva. So praniteshu, comma, ahiriva nivasan yundaror mandireshu. Yundaro is like a rat, is a rat. So nivasan yundaror mandireshu. Yunduror mandireshu. Yeah. Yunduror mandireshu. Tvachitto nava buddhyai Paramishu Kridivakshma Bhridayana Ghosham Geheshvanya Praniteshu Ahiriva Nivasan Yunduror Mandireshu.
Tvachitto Nava Buddhyai Paramishu Kridivakshma Bhridayana Ghosham Geheshvanya Praniteshu Ahiriva Nivasan Yunduror Mandireshu. Okay, Rajesh?
Correct, yeah.
Tvachitto Nava Buddhyai Paramishu Kridivakshma Bhridayana Ghosham Geheshvanya Praniteshu Ahiriva Nivasan Yunduror Mandireshu.
Tvachitto nava buddhyai परमिषु कृदिव क्ष्माभृदायानघोषं गेहेष्वन्यप्रणीतेषु अहिरिव निवसान्युन्दरोर्मन्दिरेषु त्वच्चित्तो नावबुद्ध्यै परमिषु कृदिव क्ष्माभृदायानघोषं गेहेष्वन्यप्रणीतेषु अहिरिव निवसान्युन्दरोर्मन्दिरेषु.
Stanza 8. त्वय्येव त्वत्कृतं त्वं क्षपयसि जगदिद् यूर्णनाभात् प्रतीयां त्वच्चिन्ता त्वत्स्वरूपं कुरुत इति दृढं शिक्षये पेशकारात् बिड्भस्मात्मा च देहो भवति गुरुवरो यो विवेकं विरक्तिं दत्ते सञ्चिन्त्यमानो ममुतु बहुरुजा पीडितोऽयं विशेषात्. She's giving a couple of examples. He's saying, I look at the spider, the spider spins the web, and everything which is required for the web is coming from the spider itself. And then it says that eventually all of that also goes back into the spider. And I didn't know about this, but when I searched, it was the truth. So he says, similarly, he says, that is reminding me that the whole of the universe, it comes from you, and eventually all of it goes into you, just like what is happening from the spider. So that's what I'm learning from the spider. And the second thing he says, and again, I don't know the details behind it, but it says a beetle, when it's going through the stages of development, it keeps knocking on the shell of the lava and everything, constantly keeps knocking, so that the inner part of it develops to then become a beetle, to generate the wings and everything. So it says similarly, he says that I want to be constantly meditating on you, so that like an external pressure, I want that pressure, so that I'm constantly thinking about you, so that I can become like you, and I can become a union with you. So Anamari, give me that characteristics. He compares and few other things in that. So Tvaiyeva Tvat Kritam Tvam, comma, Kshapayasi. In the next word, you have to say the whole word together. Jagadit Yurna Nabhat. Jagadit Yurna Nabhat Pratiyam, comma, Twach Chinta Twat Swarupam Kuruta iti, comma, Dridham Shikshaye Peshakarat. Tvaiheva Tvatkritam Tvam Kshapayisi Jagadit Yurnanabhat Pratiyam Twachinta Twatswarupam Kuruta iti Dridham Shikshaye Peshakarat.
So Rajesh, the first line is kritam tvam danade, not tam.
No, tvam, you.
Okay, tvam. Okay.
Tvam, yeah.
Tvaiyeva tvatkritam tvam kshapayasi jagatit yurnanabat pratiyam twachinta tvatsvarupam kuruta iti dridam shikshaye peshakarat. Tvaiyeva tvatkritam tvam kshapayasi jagatit yurnanabat pratiyam त्वच्चिन्ता त्वत्स्वरूपं कुरुत इति दृढं शिक्षये पेशकारात्.
त्वय्येव त्वत्कृतं त्वं क्षपयसि जगदित्यूर्णनाभात् प्रतीयां त्वच्चिन्ता त्वत्स्वरूपं कुरुत इति दृढं शिक्षये पेशकारात्. त्वय्येव त्वत्कृतं त्वं क्षपयसि जगदित्यूर्णनाभात् प्रतीयां त्वच्चिन्ता त्वत्स्वरूपं कुरुत इति दृढं शिक्षये पेशकारात्.
Shobhan, the first line after Tvat Kritam Tvam, there is a comma, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Vid Bhasmatma cha deho, comma, Bhavati.
Sorry, Rajesh. Is it with or with?
Id. For da, first da.
Okay.
First da.
Okay.
Vid Bhasmatma cha deho, comma, Bhavati Guruvaro yo vivekam viraktim, comma, datte sanchintya comma, mama tu bahu ruja piditoyam visheshat. Vidbhasmatma cha deho bhavati guruvaro yo vivekam viraktim datte sanchintya mama tu bahuruja piditoyam visheshat.
Vidbhasmatma cha deho भवति गुरुवरो यो विवेकं विरक्तिं दत्ते संचिन्त्यमानो मम तु बहुरुजा पीडितो यं विशेषात्
The
विद्व-
I think the way you said the last one, something was piditoyam.
पीडितोयम्.
I think you said pidi toyam, you separated that. The pidita is one word, pidito is one word.
पीडितोयम् is a one
Okay.
word.
Yeah. So I mean pidito and ayam, so it's
Is it
piditoyam.
पीडितोयम् or पीडितोयम्?
P long E first of all.
Long E, okay.
I think the way you said was pd and then
Toyam.
toyam visheshat. You separated before that.
पीडितोयम् विषय அப்படி இல்லையா?
Yeah. Try to say it together. Don't pause there. That's all. On the pidin.
विड्भस्मात्मा च देहो भवति गुरुवरो यो विवेकं विरक्तिं दत्ते संचिन्त्यमानो मम तु बहुरुजा पीडितोऽयं विशेषात्.
विड्भस्मात्मा sorry, विड्भस्मात्मा च देहो भवति गुरुवरो यो विवेकं विरक्तिं दत्ते संचिन्त्यमानो मम तु बहुरुजा पीडितोऽयं विशेषात्.
The last line, sanchintya mano kapram pause, okay?
Okay. विड्भस्मात्मा च देहो भवति गुरुवरो यो विवेकं विरक्तिं दत्ते संचिन्त्यमानो मम तु बहुरुजा पीडितोऽयं विशेषात्.
Stanza 9. Hi me deha moham tyaja pavana puradisha yat prema hetoho gehe vitte kalatra dishu cha vipashitaha tvatpadam vismaranti soyam vanneshu nova paramiha paratah sampratan chakshi karna tvajjah vadhya vikarshanthyavashamata itah kopina tvatpadhabje. So he's saying Pavana Puradisha, O Lord of Guruvayur, one another main thing I need is remove attachment to my body, because he says it's only because of the attachment to the body that of everything that I need. I'm attached to Gehe, house. I'm attached to the wealth and family and all these things is because of my attachment to the body. And says once I'm dead, once I'm gone, this body is worthless because the body is only fit, he says, for two things. One is for fire, because you end up putting the body to the fire, or it ends up lying and then the dogs come and eat it. So it's only worth for fire and dogs. But then before death, I'm so attached to the body. And then even when alive, all the other sense organs are all taking me towards materialistic things, but none of this is taking towards Tvat Padabje. None of these sense organs of mine are taking me towards you, towards your feet. So it's all because of this sense organ. So give me this ability to not have attachment towards my body. So he me deha moham tyaja pavana puradisha yat prema hetoho. So put a visarga at the end of that line. No pause there, no comma there. Prema hetoho and then comma. Next line on top of ge, if you have that ir, remove that. So gehe vitte kalatradishu cha vivashitaha. So is that is there, remove that is, visarga and a comma. Vivashitaha, comma, tvat padam vismaranti. Hi me deha moham tyaja pavana puradhisha yat prema hetoho gehe vitte kalatra dishu cha vivashitaha tvat padam vismaranti.
हि मे देहमोहं त्यज पवनपुराधीश यत् प्रेम हेतोः गेहे वित्ते कलद्रादिषु च विवशिताः त्वत्पदं विस्मरन्ति. Vismaranti, right? Not
Shortly, Vishmaranti.
Vismaranti. Every word
I mean, you just cut it. Tvatpadam vismaranti.
It is Tidam Purva. Okay. Hi me deha moham tyaja pavana puradisha yat prema hetoho gehe vitte kaladra drishu cha vivashitaha tvatpadam vismaranti.
हि मे देहमोहं त्यज पवनपुराधीश यत् प्रेम हेतोः गेहे वित्ते कलत्रादिषु च विवशिताः त्वत्पदं विस्मरन्ति. हि मे देहमोहं त्यज पवनपुराधीश यत्प्रेम हेतोः गेहे वित्ते कलात्रादिषु च विवशिताः त्वत्पदं विस्मरन्ति
Soyam vanneshuno va paramiha parataha. Then comma after parataha. Sampratan, that's nyas half portion, so in sound comes there. Sampratan chakshi karna is one word. Cha akshi karna, all this. So chakshi karna and then put a plus. Twag jihwadya. So twa ig is coming. Twag jihwadya. Jihwa means tongue. Twag jihwadya vikarshan yava shamata. So that word is together, so you can't quite break it. So vikarshan yava shamata, that whole word. Itaha, and then a comma. So after paramiha parataha, one comma, and then continues till shamata itaha, comma, kopi na tvat padabje. Sohyam vanneshu nova paramiha paratah sampratan chakshikarna tvajjihvadhya vikarshantyavashamatayitah kopina tvatpadhabje.
இந்த one ஹேக்கு அப்புறம் ஒரு விசர்கா இல்லையா ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
Visarga irundadaka put a ish sound. If you have a visarga there, put a ish. So it becomes vanneshuno.
Oh, vanneshuno.
Yeah, if you have a visarga, then you replace the visarga with a ish.
There's no visarga.
Then you should automatically have ish. Vanneshuno.
Yeah, vanneshuno. Yeah, I thought vannesh kapram rendu ish mari varumo.
இல்ல vanneshuno.
அப்படியே ரெண்டு வருது.
ஆமா. Sohyam vanneshuno. But when you say it, it doesn't, you're not pausing there, right? So that ish is continuing. Vanneshuno.
Okay.
Try saying it. Yeah.
Rajesh,
Ah.
sorry, Satya. Rajesh, and the soyam vanneva vahaneva.
See, and the ha and the na and the ha is you don't say the vah. It's not a full ha. It's
Okay.
kind of that ha becomes a silent ha and that. So it's like n and h சொல்ற மாதிரி na. It's na only, but it's an emphasis na vanne. So on the nose lindu that kind of the air has to come. You have to say from your tummy vanne. So appadinaka it will come from your nose. The air comes out. So it's a na only, but it's an emphasis na. So n and the h. Na.
Oh, so the H comes after N, no, not the H comes
No,
before.
you're not saying one he either. It's not one he. It's not wahne either. It's not either of those. It kind of comes together. So on the one ne and the ne you kind of say it with an emphasis.
Okay.
Okay. So on the h you don't say h explicitly. Wahne kadayadu, one he adum kadayadu. It's one he, n h together.
Okay.
And the one is sorry, it's Agni, and that's what it's always. That's one of those things where the her is not prominently doesn't come.
Yeah, in Tamil her and the Tamil translation her எழுதி இருக்கு அதனால
ஆமா Sanskritலயும் இருக்கு, but the her and then underneath that there is a ne. Okay, the way you say it is one ne.
Vanne, எப்படி vanne?
இல்ல one ne. Just say it as na ne. One ne, but emphasis. Ne. One ne. Yeah.
Okay.
Soyam van. Ayyo, varmadre.
I think if you think about it, you won't get it. Just say it. Yeah.
Soyam vanneshuno va paramiha paratah sampratan chakshikarna tvajjivadya vikarshantyavashamatayitah kopina tvatpadabje. Soyam vanne. Soyam van. Enga sakkardu. Soyam vanneshuno va paramiha paratah sampratan chakshikarna tvajjivadya vikarshantyavashamatayitah kopina tvatpadabje.
Soyam vanneshuno va paramiha paratah sampratan chakshikarna tvajjighvadya vikarshantyavashamatayitah kopina tvatpadabje.
Shobha, the third and fourth line are together, right? You okay.
Oh.
Go ahead. It seemed like you paused there. That's why.
Oh, chakshi karnat kapram, right?
Ah.
Okay. सोऽयं वन्नेषु नो वा परमिह परतः त्वज्जिह्वाद्या विकर्षन्त्यवशमत इतः कोऽपि न त्वत्पदाब्जे।
Stanza 10. Durvaro dehamoho yadi punaradhuna tarhi nishesha rogan hritva bhaktim dhradishtam kurutava pada pankeruhe pankajaksha nunam nana bhavante samadigatamahum muktidam vipradeham kshudre ha hantamama kshipa vishayarase pahimam marutesha. It's a beautiful one where he's saying that in the previous one, he says, give me the power to not get attached to my body, right? And we saw the reason. So he said that previously. So here he's saying, oh, Pankajaksha. Pankajaksha means one who's got eyes like a lotus. He says, Pankajaksha, if you are not able to confer that on me, what I asked previously of detachment to my body, at least then do two things. First, he says, Nishesha Roghan Drishtva, Kritva, eliminate the diseases that I'm having. And then bhaktim dhradishtam, give me complete firm devotion towards pada, towards your feet, right? So either then if you can't give me that, at least eliminate all the diseases I have and then give me firm devotion towards your lotus feet. And then in his instance, he's saying after so many janmam, I've been born as a human and I've been born as a brahmana in this case. And then so make sure that I am not getting distracted into other the sensual enjoyments, right? So make sure that I'm not getting distracted and wasting this body, and make me focus on getting muktidam vipradeham. So get me focus on getting liberation. And then pahima marutesha, oh Lord of Guruvayu, please save me, right? He's requesting this. So durvaro deha moho yadi punaradhuna comma tarhi nishesha Rogan Hritva. So put a plus after Nishesha Rogan Hritva, comma. Bhaktim Dradishtham Kuru Taba Pada Pankeruhe Pankajaksha. So one comma after Punaradhuna, one comma after Hritva. Durvaro Deha Moho Yadi Punaradhuna Tarhi Nishesha Rogan Hritva Bhaktim Dradishtham Kurutava Pada Pankeruhe Pankajaksha.
Durvaro deha moho yadi punaraduna tarhi nishesha rogan hritva bhaktim dradishtam kurutava pada pankeruhe pankajaksha. Durvaro deha moho yadi punaraduna tarhi nishesha rogan hritva bhaktim dradishtam kurutava pada pankeruhe pankajaksha.
दुर्वारो देहमोहो यदि पुनरधुना तर्हि निःशेष रोगान् हृत्वा भक्तिं दृढिष्ठां कुरु तव पदपङ्केरुहे पङ्केरुहे पंकजाक्ष.
The second line, Dradishtham, Dra, not Dhru, Dradishtham.
Dradishtham, yeah.
Dra, D-H-R.
Yeah,
Dradishtham.
Dradishtham.
Yeah.
Okay. दुर्वारो देहमोहो यदि पुनरधुना तर्हि निःशेष रोगान् हृत्वा भक्तिं दृढिष्ठां कुरु तव पदपङ्केरुहे पंकजाक्ष.
Nunam Nana Bhavante, comma Samadhi Gatamamum, Samadhi Gatam Amum, but you can say it together. Samadhi Gatamamum, Muktidam Vipradeham, comma Kshudre Ha Hanta Mama Kshipa Vishaya Rase, comma Pahima Marutesha. Nunam Nana Bhavante Samadhi Gatamahum Muktidam Vipradeham Kshudre Hahanta Mama Kshipa Vishaya Rase Pahima Marutesha.
Rajesh, inga gatam imamnu கொடுத்திருக்கு.
என்னோடயும் அப்படி போட்டிருக்கு.
Gatam Mimama. I have Gatamamum.
மீமாம்னு போட்டிருக்கேன்.
Let me check. I didn't open properly today. Hold on. Ammu Chichi, what do you have in your book?
Amum.
Mamum, right? Yeah, generally that. what Amuchechi uses and mine aligns with thing, but let's check. 93. It has Gata Mimam in Prapatti. Samadhi Gata Mimam. Okay, so let's just change it because I want to be consistent with what's in Prapatti. Okay, I don't have a pencil or pen here today. Okay, so let's change it to Samadhi Gata Mimam instead of Mamum. Okay, go ahead, Satya.
Nunam Nana Bhavante. Nunam Nana Bhavante. Samadhigatamimam muktidam vipradeham. Kshudre hahanta mama shipa vishayarase. Pahima marutesha. Nunam Nana Bhavante. Samadhigatamimam muktidam vipradeham. Shudre hahanta mama shipa vishayarase. Pahima marutesha.
नूनं नाना भवान्ते समधिगतमिमं मुक्तिदं विप्रदेहं शुद्रे हा हन्त मामा क्षिपविषयरसे पाहि मां मारुतेश नूनं नाना भवान्ते समधिगतमिमं मुक्तिदं विप्रदेहं क्षुद्रे हा हन्त मामा क्षिपविषयरस पाहि मां मारुतेश
Vishaya Rase, underline that. Vishaya Rase.
विषयरसे पाहि मां मारुतेश.
Okay. Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namah. I think this chapter we took an extra time because this chapter is a very good chapter, so I didn't want to miss out on the context of the stanzas, right? So anyway, so 94, we'll try to go fast on this one. Shuddha Nishkama Dharmaihi Pravara Guru Gira Tatswarupam Paramte Shuddham Dehendriyadi Vyapagatam Vyaptama Vedayante Nahatvastaulya Karshaditu Gunajavapus Sangato Dhyasitam Te Banne Daru Prabhedhe Shviva Mahadanuta Dittata Shantathadi. So Shuddha Nishkama Dharmaihi, Pravara Guru Gira Tat Swarupam Param Te Shuddham Dehendriyadi Vyapagatam Akila. If you want to break it, Vyapagatam Akila Vyaptam Avedayante. If you want to break it, Dhamma Vyaptam Avedayante.
Vyaptam Rajesh.
Vyaptam Avedayante. And the ma we are just breaking.
Oh, okay.
Imana. We break the ma into imana if you want to separate it there. That's all. Shuddha Nishkama Dharmaihi Pravara Guru Gira Tatswarupam Paramte Shuddham Dehendriyadi Vyapagatam Akila Vyaptama Vedayante.
Second line, no pause, Raji.
Second line, no pause. Sorry. Yeah, no pause.
Shuddha Nishkama Dharmaihi Pravara Guru Gira Tatswarupam Paramte Shuddham Dehendriyadi Vyapagatam Akila Vyaptama Vedayante. Shuddha Nishkama Dharmaihi Pravara Guru Gira Tatswarupam Paramte Shuddham Dehendriyadi Vyapagatam Akila Vyaptama Vedayante.
Shuddha Nishkama Dharmaihi Pravara Guru Gira Tatswarupam Paramte Shuddham Dehendriyadi Vyapagatam Akila Vyaptama Vedayante. Shuddha Nishkama Dharmaihi Pravara Guru Gira Tatswarupam Paramte Shuddham Dehendriyadi Vyapagatam Akila Vyaptama Vedayante.
Nanatva Staulya Karshyadi tu, Gunaja Vapus Sangato Dhyasitam. So that you kind of say it together because the Sangato and that S symbol comes, right? You kind of say it together. Sangato Dhyasitam Te, again here, one hair, the same, one knee, right? Fire. One hair Daru Prabhedeshviva, mahadanuta deeptata shantatadi. Mahadanuta deeptata shantatadi, short e at the end.
Rajesh, what's the last line or what is repeat? Vanne
Vanner daru prabhedeshviva. Prabhedeshviva.
Deshu Iva போட்டிருக்கு
ஆமா, அந்த தேஷு இவ வந்து if it's combined it's தேஷ் விவ. So
Desh Vivava.
தேஷ் விவ, viva, viva. And the deshu iva is two different words, that's all. So desh viva is written in one word. Okay. Nanhatvastaurya karshyaditu gunaja vapu sangato dhyasitam te vanher daru prabhedesh viva mahadanuta deeptata shantatadhi.
नानात्वा स्थौल्यकार्ष्यादितु गुणजवपु संगतो ध्यासितं ते वह्ने दारुप्रभेदेष्विव महदनुता दीप्तता शान्ततादि.
And the first line, nanatva, not twa.
Okay. नानात्वस्तौल्यकार्ष्यादितु गुणजवपु संगतो ध्यासितं ते वन्ने दारुप्रभेदेष्विव महदनुता दीप्तता शान्ततादि. Danuta, right? Not ta.
Yeah, ta only, danuta.
Danuta deeptata shantatadi.
नानात्वस्थौल्य कार्ष्यादितु गुणजवपु संगतो ध्यासितं ते वन्नेर्दारु प्रभेदेष्विव महदनुता दीप्तता शान्ततादि. नानात्वस्थौल्य कार्ष्यादितु गुणजवपु संगतो ध्यासितं ते वन्नेर्दारु प्रभेदेष्विव महदनुता दीप्तता शान्ततादि.
Let's switch now. So Uma and Priya. Stanza 2. Acharyakyadharastarani samanumilachishya rupotararан yavedhodbhasitena sputatara paribodhagnina dahyamane karmali vasanatat kritatanubhuvana bhrantikantara pure dahya bhavena vidya shikini cha virate tvanmahi khalvavastha. So here a quick example. So he's saying how you take two sticks, right, in the olden days, and you hit those two sticks to create a fire. And that fire, when it catches a forest fire, it goes on and burns everything which is in its way. And eventually, when there's nothing left to burn, the fire itself gets extinguished because there's nothing else left to burn. So he says similarly here, the acharya and the student and the teacher, right, when you come with the right guru, then what you do is when you get that knowledge, right, then that knowledge eventually eliminates all the other things, right, which are not needed. And eventually when all the things are eliminated and you have just the knowledge left of the non-duality, when you have the knowledge left, then ultimately this is the state of final merger into you. He's just giving a comparison of two things there. So acharyakya, that together, darastarani samanumilach Chishya Rupotarara. So I think that whole line is together. Okay. So it actually goes into the next way. That's why it's difficult to break it at the end. So Rupotararan Yavedhot. Okay. So I'll repeat again. Acharyakya Dharastarani Samanumilach Chishya Rupotararan Yavedhot Bhasitena. And then put a comma after Bhasitena. Sputatara paribodhagnina dahyamane. Dahya, so it's a ha and ya together, dahyamane. Acharyakyadharastarani samanumilachishya rupotararан yavedodbhasitena sputatara paribodhagnina dahyamane. Go ahead, Priya or Mani.
आचार्याख्याधरस्थारणिसमनुमिलच्छिष्यरूपोत्तरारण्या वेदोद्भासितेन स्फुटतरपरिबोधाग्निना दह्यमाने आचार्याख्याधरस्थारणिसमनुमिलच्छिष्यरूपोत्तरारण्या वेदोद्भासितेन स्फुटतरपरिबोधाग्निना दह्यमाने
आचार्याख्याधरस्तारणि समनुमिलच्छिष्यरूपोत्तरारण्या वेदो भासितेन स्फुटतरपरिबोधाग्निना दह्यमाने आचार्याख्याधरस्तारणि समनुमिलच्छिष्य रूपोत्तरारण्या वेदोद्भासितेन स्फुटतरपरिबोधाग्निना दह्यमाने
कर्माली वासना तत्कृत तनु भुवन भ्रांति कांतार पूरे. So again, no pause there, comma at the very end. Dahya bhavena vidya shikini cha virate, comma, tvanmayi khalvavastha. कर्माणि वासना तत्कृतथनुभुवन भ्रांतिकांतार पूरे दाह्या भावेन विद्या शिकिनि च विरते त्वन्मयी खल्ववस्था.
कर्माली वासना तत्कृततनुभुवन भ्रान्तिकान्तारपूरे दाह्या भावेन विद्या शिखिनि च विरते त्वन्मयी खल्ववस्था. कर्माली वासना तत्कृततनुभुवन भ्रान्तिकान्तारपूरे दाह्या भावेन विद्या शिखिनि च विरते त्वन्मयी खल्ववस्था.
कर्माली वासना तत्कृततनुभुवन भ्रान्तिकान्तारपूरे दाह्या भावेन विद्या शिखिनि च विरते त्वन्मयी खल्ववस्था. कर्माली वासना तत्कृततनुभुवन भ्रान्तिकान्तारपूरे दाह्या भावेन विद्या शिखिनि च विरते त्वन्मयी खल्ववस्था.
Stanza 3. एवं त्वत्प्राप्तितोऽन्यो न हि खलु निखिल क्लेशहानेरुपायो नैकान्तात्यन्तिकास्ते कृषिवदगद षड्गुण्य षट्कर्मयोगाः दुर्वैकल्यैरकल्या अपि निगमपथाः तत्फलान्यप्यवाप्ता मत्तास्त्वां विस्मरन्तः प्रसजति पतने यान्त्यनन्तान् विशाखान्. एवं त्वत् प्राप्तितोऽन्यो न हि खलु निखिल क्लेश हानेरुपायो comma. So the next word on the naikantatyanti, adu varaikum it's you can't break it, so it's you kind of have to say it together. Naikantatyanti kaste, comma, krishi vada gada षड्गुण्य षट्कर्म योगाः. एवं त्वत्प्राप्तितोऽन्यो न हि खलु निखिल क्लेशहानेरुपायो नैकान्तात्यन्तिकास्ते कृषिवदगद षड्गुण्य षट्कर्मयोगाः.
एवं त्वत्प्राप्तितोऽन्यो न हि खलु निखिल क्लेशहानेरुपायो नैकान्तात्यन्तिकास्ते कृषिवदगद षड्गुण्य षट्कर्मयोगाः. Or what is it in the last
and the line is not long like the other line, so it feels like it is not landing, but it will land.
Yeah.
So naikantatyantikaste krishivadagada षड्गुण्य षट्कर्मयोगाः. It is just short by a couple of syllables.
Okay. एवं त्वत्प्राप्तितोऽन्यो न हि खलु निखिल क्लेशहानेरुपायो नैकान्तात्यन्तिकास्ते कृषिवद गदषाड्गुण्य षट्कर्मयोगाः
एवं त्वत्प्राप्तितोऽन्यो न हि खलु निखिल क्लेशहानेरुपायो नैकान्तात्यन्तिकास्ते कृषिवदगदषाड्गुण्यषट्कर्मयोगाः एवं त्वत्प्राप्तितोऽन्यो न हि खलु निखिल क्लेशहानेरुपायो नैकान्तात्यन्तिकास्ते कृषिवदगदषाड्गुण्यषट्कर्मयोगाः
Durvai Kalyair Akalya, if you want to break it, Durvai Kalyair Akalya Api Nigama Pataha. That is there, remove that is and the visarga and the comma. Nigama Pataha, comma. Tat Phalanyapya Vapta. So that is together because Phalani Apya Vapta. So Phalanyapya Vapta together, comma. Mattas Twam Vismarantaha, comma. Prasajati Patane Yantyanantan Vishadan.
Rajesh, and the third line end la vapta kapra visarga irka
Ille.
okay.
Durvai Kalyaira Kalya Api Nigama Pataha Tatphalanyapya Vapta Mattas Twam Vismarantaha Prasajati Patane Yantyanantan Vishadan.
Durvai kalyairakαλya api nigamapathaah tatphalanyapyavapta mattastvam vismarantah prasajati patane yantyanantan vishadan. Durvai kalyairakαλya api nigamapathaah tatphalanyapyavapta mattastvam vismarantah prasajati patane yantyanantan vishadan.
दुर्वैकल्यैरकल्या अपि निगमपताः तत्फलान्यप्यवाप्ता मत्तास्त्वां विस्मरन्तः प्रसजति पतने यान्त्यनन्तान् विषादान् दुर्वैकल्यैरकल्या अपि निगमपताः तत्फलान्यप्यवाप्ता मत्तास्त्वां विस्मरन्तः प्रसजति पतने यान्त्यनन्तान् विषादान्.
Stanza 4. Tvallokadanyalokah kvanubhayarahito yat parardadvayante tvadbhita satyalokepi nasukavasatif padmabhuf padmanabha evam bhave tvadarmajita bahutamasam kakata narhakanam tanme tvam chindi bandham varada kripana bhandho kripa pura sindho. So here also he's praying to saying, oh Kripana Bandho. First he says Varada. Varada means the one who gives boons, who gives varam is Varada. Second is Kripana Bandho, one who protects, protector of all the people who are suffering. Then Kripa Pura Sindho means you're like an full, like you're an ocean full of compassion, right? So he's saying with all those names, and he's saying, oh Padmanabha as well in the beginning, right? Padmanabha means from whose Nabi the Padmam came out, lotus comes out. So he says all of these things and says, other than 12 lokas, other than your region, which is Vaikuntham, all the other places, there are people who live with fear. And he says even Brahma is Dvayante, Pararda Dvayante. So one Pararda of Brahma is 50 years, the day, and the other Pararda is the 50 years of night, right? So even the Dvaya Pararda means 2 Parardas, so 100 years. Even at the end of the 100 years, even Brahma is gone. So even he is also living with a little bit of fear that he has a term limit. So even when Brahma in Satyaloka is living in such fear, what about Narakanam? What about all the other humans who are actually living here, who Bahutamasam, who over so many years are building so many sins? We are just adding up to our sins. So of course, everybody is going to be all fearful, right? So he says, oh Kripa Bandhu, Kripa Pura Sindhu, all of it, etc. Please chindi bandham, please cut off all the bonds that I have, right? So all the connections and all the bonds, please cut it off. So I'm not continuing to accumulate sins. And only because of that, people continue to live in fear because of all the sins that they're accumulating. So Tval Lokad Anya Loka, if you want to break it at the da, Tval Lokad Anya Lokaha is that, put the ich sound, Loka, Kwanu, Bhaya Rahito, comma, Yet Parardha Dvayante, comma, Tvat Bhitas Satya Lokepi, comma, Na Sukha Vasatihi is there, put a if Vasatif, Padma Bhuhu, if again Padma Bhuf, Padmanabha. Tvallokat Anya Lokah Kvanubhaya Rahito, Yat Parardha Dvayante, Twadbhita Satya Lokepi, Nasuka Vasatif Padma Bhuf, Padmanabha.
त्वल्लोकादन्यलोकः क्वनुभयरहितो यत्परार्धभयान्ते त्वद्भीतः सत्यलोकेऽपि न सुखवसतिः पद्मभूः पद्मनाभ त्वल्लोकादन्यलोकः क्वनुभयरहितो यत्परार्धद्वयान्ते त्वद्भीतः सत्यलोकेऽपि न सुखवसतिः पद्मभूः पद्मनाभ
त्वल्लोकादन्यलोकः क्वनुभयरहितो यत्परार्धद्वयन्ते त्वद्भीतः सत्यलोकेऽपि न सुखवसतिः पद्मभूः पद्मनाभ त्वल्लोकादन्यलोकः क्वनुभयरहितो यत्परार्धद्वयन्ते त्वद्भीतः सत्यलोकेऽपि न सुखवसतिः पद्मभूः पद्मनाभ.
On the first line, Bhaya Rahito, after that is a comma, okay. Second time you didn't pause there. So
Okay, sir.
Evam Bhave Tva Dharmarjita Bahu Tamasam, comma, Ka Katha Narakanam, comma, Tanme Tvam Chindhi Bandham, comma, Varada Kripana Bandho Kripa Pura Sindho. Evam Bhave Twadharmarjita Bahutamasam Ka Katha Narakanam Tanme Tvam Chindhi Bandham Varada Kripana Bandho Kripa Pura Sindho.
एवं भावे त्वधर्मार्जित बहुतस्मसां का कथा नारकाणां तन्मे त्वं छिन्दि बन्धं वरद कृपण बन्धो कृपा पूरसिन्धो एवं भावे त्वधर्मार्जित बहुतमसां का कथा नारकाणां तन्मे त्वं छिन्दि बन्धं वरद कृपण बन्धो कृपा पूरसिन्धो
एवं भावे त्वधर्मार्जित बहुतमसां का कथा नारकाणां तन्मे त्वं छिन्दि बन्धं वरद कृपण बन्धो कृपा पूरसिन्धो एवं भावे त्वधर्मार्जित बहुतमसां का कथा नारकाणां तन्मे त्वं छिन्दि बन्धं वरद कृपण बन्धो कृपा पूरसिन्धो.
That's a fine. Yatartya Tvanmayasyaiva Himamanabhibho Vastuto Bandhamokshau Maya Vidyatanubhyam Tavatu Virachitau Swapna Bodhopamautau Badhe Jivat Vimuktim Gatavati Chabhida Tavati Tavadeko Bhunkte Dehadrumasto Vishaya Phalarasanna Paro Nivyathatma. So Yatarthyat. Okay, so till then you have to kind of say it together. Yatarthyat. So the ir that you are seeing comes after the tha. Okay, because the rest of the things that follow are half letters, right? So Yatarthyat Tvan Mayasyaiva हि मम न विभो कॉमा वस्तुतो बंध मोक्षौ कॉमा माया विद्या तनुभ्यां कॉमा तव तु विरचितौ स्वप्न बोधोपमौ तौ यातार्त्यात्वन्मयस्यैव हि मम न विभो वस्तुतो बन्धमोक्षौ माया विद्यातनुभ्यां तव तु विरचितौ स्वप्नबोधोपमौ तौ
याथार्त्यात्वन्मयस्यैव हि मम न विभो वस्तुतो बन्धमोक्षौ माया विद्यातनुभ्यां तव तु विरचितौ स्वप्नबोधोपमौ तौ याथार्त्यात्वन्मयस्यैव हि मम न विभो वस्तुतो बन्धमोक्षौ माया विद्यातनुभ्यां तव तु विरचितौ स्वप्नबोधोपमौ तौ
यातार्त्यात्वन्मयस्यैव हि मम न विभो वस्तुतो बन्धमोक्षौ माया विद्यातनुभ्यां तव तु विरचितौ स्वप्नबोधोपमौ तौ याथार्त्यात्वन्मयस्यैव हि मम न विभो वस्तुतो बन्धमोक्षौ माया विद्यातनुभ्यां तव तु विरचितौ स्वप्नबोधोपमौ तौ
I have a doubt. After Tanupyam, is there a comma?
Yeah, after Tanubhyam there is a comma. Yeah. Okay. Baddhe जीवद विमुक्तिम गतवति च बिदा कॉमा तावती तावदेको कॉमा भुंक्ते देह द्रुमस्तो कॉमा विषय फल रसान्नापरो, so that's together, रसान्नापरो निर्व्यथात्मा बद्धे जीवद विमुक्तिम गतवति च भिदा तावती तावदेको भुंक्ते देहद्रुमस्तो विषय फल रसान्नापरो निर्व्यथात्मा
बद्धे जीवद्विमुक्तिं गतवति च भिदा तावती तावदेको भुंक्ते देहद्रुमस्थो विषयफलरसान्नापरो निर्व्यथात्मा बद्धे जीवद्विमुक्तिं गतवति च भिदा तावती तावदेको भुंक्ते देहद्रुमस्थो विषयफलरसान्नापरो निर्व्यथात्मा
बद्धे जीवद्विमुक्तिं गतवति च भिदा तावती तावदेको भुंक्ते देहद्रुमस्थो विषयफलरसान्नापरो निर्व्यथात्मा बद्धे जीवद्विमुक्तिं गतवति च भिदा तावती तावदेको भुंक्ते देहद्रुमस्थो विषयफलरसान्नापरो निर्व्यथात्मा.
Stanza 6. जीवन मुक्तत्वमेवं विदमिति वचसा किं फलं दूरधूरे तन्नामाशुद्ध बुद्धेः न च लघुमनसः शोधनं भक्तितोऽन्यत् तन्मे विष्णो कृषिष्ठाः त्वयि कृत सकल प्रार्पणं भक्तिभारं येन स्यां मंशु किंचित् गुरुवचनमिलत्वत्प्रबोधस्त्वदात्मा जीवन मुक्त त्वम एवं, so त्वम एवं विधम इति और विधमिति वचसा किम फलम दूर दूरे, so no pause there, comma at the end of that line, दूर दूरे तन्ना मा शुद्ध, so that is you have to kind of say it together, तन्ना मा शुद्ध बुद्धेः, so after buddhe put a visarga and a comma, buddheः. So on top of that na you will have an ir in Sanskrit, remove that ir out, so buddhehe comma na cha laghu manasah shodhanam bhakti tonyat. जीवन मुक्तत्वमेवं विदमिति वचसा किं फलं दूरे तन्नामाशुद्ध बुद्धेः न च लघु मनसः शोधनं भक्तितोऽन्यत्
जीवन्मुक्तत्वमेवं विधमिति वचसा किं फलं दूरे तन्नामाशुद्धबुद्धेः न च लघुमनसः शोधनं भक्तिस्तोऽन्यत् जीवन्मुक्तत्वमेवं विधमिति वचसा किं फलं दूरे तन्नामाशुद्धबुद्धेः न च लघुमनसः शोधनं भक्तितोऽन्यत्
जीवन्मुक्तत्वमेवं विदमिति वचसा किं फलं दूरे तन्नामाशुद्धबुद्धेः न च लघुमनसः शोधनं भक्तितोऽन्यत् जीवन्मुक्तत्वमेवं विदमिति वचसा किं फलं दूरे तन्नामाशुद्धबुद्धेः न च लघुमनसः शोधनं भक्तितोऽन्यत्.
Second line, small correction. Nacha lagu manasash. Sa and then a ish.
Oh,
Manasash.
Manasash.
Sa is sounding like a sha. Manasash. Okay.
Nacha lagu manasash.
Correct. Yeah. Correct. Tanme Vishnu Krishishtaha. So that is there. Remove it. Visarga and a comma. Krishishtaha. Tvai Krita Sakala Prarpanam Bhakti Bharam, comma Yena Syam Mankshu Kinchit Guru Vachana Milat Twat Prabodhas Twadhatma. So that line is no pause. Guru Vachana Milat Twat Prabodhas Twadhatma. Tanme Vishnu Krishishtaha Tvai Krita Sakala Prarpanam Bhakti Bharam Yena Syam Mankshu Kinchit Guru Vachana Milat Tvat Prabodhas Twadhatma.
तन्मे विष्णु कृषिष्ठाः त्वयि कृत सकल प्रार्पणं भक्तिभारं येन स्यां मंशु किंचित गुरुवचन मिलत्वत् प्रबोधस्त्वदात्मा प्रबोधस्त्वदात्मा. तन्मे विष्णु कृषिष्ठाः त्वयि कृत सकल प्रार्पणं भक्तिभारं येन स्यां मंशु किंचित गुरुवचन मिलत्वत् प्रबोधस्त्वदात्मा.
तन्मे विष्णु कृषिष्टाः त्वयि कृत सकल प्रार्पणं भक्तिभारं येन स्यां मंशु किंचित् गुरुवचन मिलत्वत् प्रबोधस्त्वदात्मा. तन्मे विष्णु कृषिष्टाः त्वयि कृत सकल प्रार्पणं भक्तिभारं येन स्यां मंशु किंचित् गुरुवचन मिलत्वत् प्रबोधस्त्वदात्मा.
Stanza 7. Shabdha Brahmanyapih Prayatita Manasah Tvam na jananti kechit Kashtam Vandhyashramaste Chirataramiha Gam Bibhrate Nishprasutim Yasyam Vishwabhiramaha Sakala Malahara Divya Leelavataraha Satchit Sandram Charupam Tavana Nigaditam Tamna Vacham Bhriyasam. Just a quick explanation here. So here he's saying there are a lot of people in this world, and such concept I know he's covered before also. A lot of people in this world who are very focused on the Vedas and the various parts of the Vedas, right? So the rituals and the chanting and all those things. So he says, people who just do that, but without trying to know you, right? So again, doesn't mean that anybody who does is bad or it's wrong. He says if you do that without trying to know you, is as if they have a cow which cannot have calves, right? So the cow can milk only when it has calves, else there's no reason for the cow to milk. So he says it's like if you don't have the cow have the calves and you're not going to get the milk, then what is the use of having the cow? So it's like people who are just focused on the Vedas and the rituals are like people who just have cows but don't let the cow has calves. So he says, may I please bless me so that I am not doing such things. So anything I'm doing, even if I'm doing the Vedas and all the rituals, I'm always thinking about you, and I'm always talking about here Divya Leela Avataraha. So I'm always talking about all the Leelegal you have done, your names and all that, so that I can remove all the impurities and I eventually get merged into you. So he's requesting that and praying for it. So Shabda Brahmanya Piha Prayatita Manasaha. So that is, that is there. Remove it and Visarga. Manasaha, comma. Tvam na jananti kechit, comma. Kashtam vandhya shramaste, comma. Chirataram iha gam bibhrate nishprasutim. Shabda brahmanya piha prayatita manasah tvam na jananti kechit kashtam vandhya shramaste chirataramiha gam bibhrate nishprasutim.
शब्द ब्रह्मण्यपीह प्रयतित मनसः त्वां न जानन्ति केचित् कष्टं वन्ध्यश्रमास्ते चिरतरमिह गां बिभ्रते निष्प्रसूतिम् शब्द ब्रह्मण्यपीह प्रयतित मनसः त्वां न जानन्ति केचित् कष्टं वन्ध्यश्रमास्ते चिरतरमिह गां बिभ्रते निष्प्रसूतिम्
शब्द ब्रह्मण्यपीह प्रयतित मनसः त्वां न जानन्ति केचित् कष्टं वन्द्यश्रमास्ते चिरतरमिह गां बिभ्रते निष्प्रसूतिम् शब्द ब्रह्मण्यपीह प्रयतित मनसः त्वां न जानन्ति केचित् कष्टं वन्द्यश्रमास्ते चिरतरमिह गां बिभ्रते निष्प्रसूतिम्
Yasyam Vishwabhiramaha. Again, is, that is there, remove it, Visarga and a comma, Ramaha Sakala Malahara Divya Leelavataraha. Divya Leelavataraha, comma, Sachit Sandram Cha Rupam, comma, Tava na Nigaditam Tam na Vacham Briyasam.
ராஜேஷ் மலஹராக்கு அப்புறம் விசர்கா இருக்கா
இல்ல அங்க தீக்கு முன்னாடி ஜெனரலா இருக்காது அங்க. It's not there in my book anyways, but yasyam vishwabhiramaha sakala malahara divya leelavataraha sachit sandram cha rupam tavana nigaditam tamna vacham briyasam.
यस्यां विश्वाभिरामाः सकलमलहरा दिव्यलीलावताराः सच्चित्सान्द्रं च रूपं तव न निगदितं तां न वाचं भ्रियासम् यस्यां विश्वाभिरामाः सकलमलहरा दिव्यलीलावताराः सच्चित्सान्द्रं च रूपं तव न निगदितं तां न वाचं भ्रियासम्
यस्यां विश्वाभिरामाः सकलमलहरा दिव्यलीलावताराः सच्चित्सान्द्रं च रूपं तव न निगदितं तां न वाचं भ्रियासम्.
In the last line after rupam there is a comma, okay?
Oh, okay. Cha rupam, right? Sachitsandram cha rupam, comma.
Correct, comma, yeah.
यस्यां विश्वाभिरामाः सकलमलहरा दिव्यलीलावताराः सच्चित्सान्द्रं च रूपं तव न निगदितं तां न वाचं भ्रियासम्.
So I think we somehow have to finish the 8, 9, 10. So just repeat once the next 3 stanzas. Stanza 8. Yo yavan yadrusho va tvamiti kimapi naivavagacchami bhumanne evan chananya bhavaha twadanu bhajaname vadriye chaidya vairin त्वल्लिङ्गानां त्वदङ्घ्रिप्रियजनसदसां दर्शनस्पर्शनादिः भूयान्मे त्वत्प्रपूजा नतिनुति गुणकर्मानुकीर्त्याधरोऽपि यो यावान् यादृशो वा त्वमिति कम किमपि नैवाव गच्छामि भूमन्, put in there, भूमन् comma, next line, that double in and a that you have, that becomes just a, so evan chananya bhavaha, the is, remove that is, visarga and a comma, chananya bhavaha comma, twadanu bhajanam evadriye, if you want to break it, bhajanam evadriye chaidya vairin, यो यावान् यादृशो वा त्वमिति किमपि नैवावगच्छामि भूमन् एवं चानन्यभावः त्वदनुभजनमेवाद्रिये चैद्यभैरिन्.
Rajesh, just one thing, adu evam evan evam dane
illa at the in, let's take the nya would half na, so in, because there's no dot in mind, it has an explicit and the nya would symbol, so in.
illa dot போட்டுக்கிறதுனால தான் கேட்டேன். Okay. यो यावान् यादृशो वा त्वमिति किमपि नैवावगच्छामि भूमन् एवं चानन्यभावः त्वदनुभजनमेवाद्रिये चैद्यवैरिन्.
यो यावान् यादृशो वा त्वमिति किमपि नैवावगच्छामि भूमन् एवं चानन्यभावः त्वदनुभजनम् एवाद्रिये चैद्यवैरिन्.
त्वल्लिङ्गानां त्वदङ्घ्रि प्रिय जन सदसां comma darshana sparshanadihi, so visarga at the end and comma sparshanadihi, so after sadasam comma then darshana sparshanadihi, on top of bhu, if you have a ir thing, remove that, bhuyan me tvat prapuja nati nuti guna karmanu kirtyadaropi, so that karmanu kirtyadaropi comes together, so no pause in that line, it's continuous. त्वल्लिङ्गानां त्वदङ्घ्रि प्रियजन सदसां दर्शन स्पर्शनादिः भूयान् मे त्वत्प्रपूजा नतिनुति गुणकर्मानुकीर्त्याधरोऽपि.
त्वल्लिङ्गानां त्वदङ्घ्रिप्रियजनसदसां दर्शनस्पर्शनादिः भूयान् मे त्वत्प्रपूजा नतिनुति गुणकर्मानुकीर्त्यादरोऽपि.
त्वल्लिङ्गानां त्वदङ्घ्रिप्रियजनसदसां दर्शनस्पर्शनादिः भूयान् मे त्वत्प्रपूजा नतिनुति गुणकर्मानुकीर्त्याधरोऽपि.
That's a 9. यद्यल्लभ्येत् तत्तव समुपहृतं देवदासोऽस्मि देहं त्वद्गेहोन्मार्जनाद्यं भवतु मम मुहुः कर्म निर्मायमेव. सूर्याग्निब्राह्मणात्मादिषु लसितचतुर्बाहुमाराधये त्वां त्वत्प्रेमार्धत्वरूपो मम सततमभिष्यन्दतां भक्तियोगः. यद्यल् लभ्येत tat tava. Okay, so there are two tats coming there. Tat tava samupahrutam comma deva dasosmi teham comma tvad gehon marjanadhyam, so that comes together, gehon marjanadhyam comma bhavatu mama muhuhu is there, put a if sound, muhuh karma nirmayameva. यद्यल्लभ्येत तत्तव समुपहृतं देवदासोऽस्मि तेऽहं त्वद्गेहोन्मार्जनाद्यं भवतु मम मुहुः कर्म निर्मायमेव
यद्यल्लभ्येत तत्तत्तव समुप्रहृतं देवदासोऽस्मि तेऽहं त्वद्गेहोन्मार्जनाद्यं भवतु मम मुहुः कर्म निर्मायमेव
यद्यल्लभ्येत तत्तव समुपहृतं देवदासोऽस्मि तेऽहं त्वद्गेहोन्मार्जनाद्यं भवतु मम मुहुः कर्म निर्मायमेव
सूर्याग्नि ब्राह्मणात्मादिषु कॉमा लसित चतुर बाहुम आराधये, if you want to break it, बाहुम आराधये त्वाम कॉमा त्वत् प्रेमार्द्र, so प्रेमार्द्र, dra is coming there, प्रेमार्द्र त्वत् रूपो कॉमा mama satatam, you can break that ma, satatam abhishyandatam bhakti yogaha. Suryagni brahmanatmadishu lasita chatur bahumaradhaye tvam tvat premardatva rupo mama satatam abhishyandatam bhakti yogaha.
सूर्याग्निब्राह्मणात्मादिषु लसितचतुर्बाहुमाराधये त्वां त्वत्प्रेमार्द्रत्वरूपो मम सततमभिष्यन्दतां भक्तियोगः
सूर्याग्निब्राह्मणात्मादिषु लसितचतुर्बाहुमाराधये त्वां त्वत्प्रेमार्द्रत्वरूपो मम सततमभिष्यन्दतां भक्तियोगः.
Last stanza. ऐक्यं ते दान होम व्रत नियम तपः सांख्य योगैर्धुरापं त्वत्संघे नैव गोप्यः किल सुकृतितमा प्रापुरानन्द सान्द्रं भक्तेष्वन्येषु भूयस्वपि बहुमनिषे भक्तिमेव त्वमासां तन्मे त्वद्भक्तिमेव धडय हरगदान् कृष्णवातालयेश. So he says, as it is said in the various yogas, the various means of yoga, like he said, yoga means not just the physical yoga, right? There are multiple, all the pranayamam, pratyaharam, asanam, lot of things are there. So all the things which are said in the yogas, including, it says dana, so giving charity, right? Then homa, performing homam. Then niyama, doing all the observances, fasting and everything. And it says all the other things, austerities, penance, everything that is there, it has been prescribed in the yogas and Sankhya Rupam. Even if you follow all of that, you will eventually attain, because I know we didn't cover the 4th chapter meaning. I want to take some time and walk through that, Yoga Sutras, right? So there is, even if you follow that, it's going to take a really long time, and it's going to take a long time, and it's so hard to still get to be union with you. However, amongst all your devotees, that Swatsangya neva gopya, the gopis attained that liberation very easily because of complete devotion to you, even though they did not follow a lot of these things which are actually prescribed. So he says, even though you have a lot of devotees, they are the ones who are among the highest of your devotees. I think we saw that the Bhakti, Utpatti, Vriddhi, Tavacharana, Jusham, right? We saw in the 87th or 76th, sorry. So we saw that. So similarly, he says, oh Lord of Guruvayur. So first he says here, Dhradaya Haragadan. So please eradicate all the diseases and everything I have. And plus, Tvad Bhakti Meva. So grant me devotion only to you, so that I get complete devotion and eradicate all the ailments. I think he finishes this. So Aikyam Te Dana Homa Vrata Niyama Tapas Sankhya Yogair Durapam. So comma, so no pause there. Tvat Sanghe Naiva Gopyaha, comma, Kila Sukruti Tama Prapur Ananda Sandram. Aikyam te dana homa brata niyama tapas sankhya yoga irdurapam tvat sanghe naiva gopyaha किल सुकृतितमा प्रापुरानन्दसान्द्रम्
ऐक्यं ते दानहोमव्रतनियमतपः साङ्ख्ययोगैर्दुरापं त्वत्सङ्गेनैव गोप्यः किल सुकृतितमा प्रापुरानन्दसान्द्रम्
ऐक्यं ते दानहोम व्रतनियमतपः साङ्ख्ययोगैर्दुरापं त्वत्सङ्गेनैव गोप्यः किल सुकृतितमा प्रापुरानन्दसान्द्रम्
भक्तेष्वन्येषु भूयस्वपि, so two is coming there, भूयस्वपि comma बहु मनुषे भक्तिमेव त्वमासां comma तन्मे त्वत् भक्तिम एव द्रडय हर गदान् comma कृष्ण वातालयेश भक्तेष्वन्येषु भूयस्वपि बहुमनुषे भक्तिमेव त्वमासां तन्मे त्वद्भक्तिमेव द्रडय हर गदान् कृष्णवातालयेश
भक्तेष्वन्येषु भूयस्वपि बहुमनुषे भक्तिमेव त्वमासां तन्मे त्वद्भक्तिमेव दृढय हर गदान् कृष्णवातालयेश। श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः।
भक्तेष्वन्येषु भूयस्वपि बहुमनुषे भक्तिमेव त्वमासां तन्मे त्वद्भक्तिमेव दृढय हर गदान् कृष्णवातालयेश। कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः।
सान्द्रानन्दावबोधात्मकमनुपमितं कालदेशावधिभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनाः कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि।